Welcome to ilectureonline. In every subframe we have two words that are always identical. We have the telemetry word and we have the handover word, words 1 and 2. So here we're going to talk about the handover word. It's called the HOW and it's word 2 in every subframe. What does it contain? Well, the first 17 bits contains the time of the week. Now notice that the least significant bit of those 17 bits is equal to 6 seconds. Now, the timing that the satellites use are intervals of 1.5 seconds. So why is the least significant bit here 6 seconds? Well, the last least significant bits, the two least significant bits are simply truncated. If we had 19 bits, the 19 bit would be 1.5 seconds in value, and the second to last least significant bit would be 3 seconds in value. So those are both truncated. That means the next least significant bit is therefore 6 seconds. Now also notice that 2 to the 17 power is 131,072. And the maximum value that we need is 100,799, because when we get to 100,800, it rolls back and goes back to 0. So 6 seconds times 100,800 is exactly 604,800 seconds. Now, if we take 60 seconds per minute, 60 minutes per hour, 24 hours per day, and 7 days per week, we multiply that all together, we get 604,800 seconds. So you can see that the number 100,800 multiplied times 6 seconds does give us the same number of seconds in a week. But since we only had 17 bits available, we figured we could throw off the last 2 bits and just use 6 seconds as the least significant bit. And since it's transmitted at the exact time of the satellite every 30 seconds right on the dot, then we know that that's synced up with the satellite timing, and so we don't have to worry about it, that's indeed a 6 second least significant bit. That works for us. Then the next 2 bits, 18 and 19, are flags. 18 is what we call the alert flag. When that one is set high, that means that the URA, the possible error in the accuracy of the satellite, may be worse than indicated. Remember, there's always this upper limit of what the satellite thinks we can accomplish by using the satellite for GPS. But if the alert flag is set, that means something is wrong and it may be greater than that. 19 is the AS flag. AS stands for anti-spoof. If the satellite believes it's being spoofed, it can set that flag high. Then the next 3 bits from 20 to 22 are what we call the subframe ID codes. Remember that we need to know when we get the reception of the satellite which subframe we're getting, because remember that every subframe starts with the same word 1, which has a set of preamble bits, 8 of them. And we want to know, of course, that we're getting subframe 1 or subframe 2 or subframe 3, 4, or 5. And so these 3 bits in the second word, the HOW word, does tell us what subframe we're in. Notice that the first setting, the last 2 settings are invalid, but the middle 5 here do indicate, and obviously the subframe number matches the value of the 3 bits, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and that indicates what subframe we're in. So each subframe, of course, will set those 3 bits accordingly. Then the next 2 bits are bits that are solved for to do parity checking with the next 6 bits as being the parity bit. So there's some calculation that needs to happen. They utilize that in the check for the parity bit to make sure that the transmission went correctly. And so that's done using those 2 bits right there. And that is then the second word in each of the 5 subframes. So those word 1 and word 2 will occur every single time containing the data that we just explained in this video and the previous one. And that is how it's done.